This is Huluganga Ella Waterfall, one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Sri Lanka. And today I'm going to show you the beauty of this waterfall, how to get there, main attractions, local foods, and tips to make your journey easier. Let's go! There are two main travel directions to reach Huluganga Falls, one from Kandy, the other from Matale. Since this waterfall is right on the road, anyone can easily get here. As you cross over the Huluganga River, you will find a few buildings lining the narrow road, including the branch of People's Bank. Near the bank, steel staircase leads down to the waterfall. At the entrance, there is a small counter where the tickets are issued. After walking down near the ticket counter, you will find a spot where you can enjoy a beautiful view of the waterfall. It's also a nice place to have any food you brought along. This waterfall is about 75 meters in height. You can compare the height of this waterfall to Bamarakanda Falls, which is the tallest waterfall in Sri Lanka. Actually, you can feel the mist on your face. It's so refreshing. This waterfall gets its life from the Huluganga River, the same river that flows all the way from the Knuckles range. If you take a look at the map, you will see that the Huluganga River gives life to many beautiful waterfalls along its path, like Haliya Lebanon Estate Waterfall, Sri Ella Waterfall, Huluganga Ella Waterfall, Knuckles Falls, and few smaller ones hidden around the Knuckles range. After passing through the hills and villages, the Huluganga River finally makes its way down to the Victoria Reservoir near Orutotta, becoming a major water source for region. So when you visit this place, you are not just seeing one waterfall. You are actually following the journey of a river that brings life, beauty, and energy to these mountain valleys. There are a lot of nearby attractions near to Huluganga Ella Falls. you are coming from Kandy, there are two main roads, one from Pannila and the other from Narampanawa. If you are coming from Pannila, you need to come to Wattegama first. You can take a bus from Kandy to Wattegama. From there, you can take a bus from Pannila to Gomare and get off near the waterfall. When you are coming along the Narampanawa road, there is a bend on the mountain road where you'll find a small roadside shop that serves really tasty food. Near that bend, there is a small path that leads to two beautiful waterfalls. You can even take a bath in them. In my next video, I am planning to visit another amazing spot, a place that's really famous in Sri Lanka, not just among locals but foreigners too. If you have any guesses, drop your answers in the comments below.
Like and subscribe.